Welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. This video will be over before you can say, where's my stimulus check? We make a fresh guacamole. We're going to start off with 2 avocados, salt to taste. And the key ingredient to making this guacamole super quick and fresh is you just go to the store. I found this at Publix, pico de gallo. It has everything that you need in it, so you don't have to chop up everything individually. It already has the lime juice, the tomatoes, the onions, the cilantro, etc., etc. Only thing we're doing is putting it in with the avocado, and we're just going to turn it up a little bit. So you want to do 2.5 tablespoons of the pico de gallo. So we're going to go ahead and drop that in. And now I like my guacamole a little bit spicy, so I chopped up some jalapeños. I'm going to throw those in there. And we're going to add some more fresh lime juice. And this can go perfect with my Chicken Tinga video that I just uploaded. So I'm going to put the link in the description. You could check that out. All right, so we just want to get everything mixed up. If you like your guacamole a little bit chunky with bigger pieces of avocado, totally up to you. Just get everything mixed up. This will go perfect for tonight too. Just get some chips and guac and whatever other food that you're making. Make the Mexican chicken tinga, and then you got your New Year's Eve dinner. Bring it into 2021 with some good Mexican food, you know. All right, so everything's going to get mixed up here, and everything's done. Simple. There's a chip, a little bit of spice, a little bit of heat, creamy, fresh, lime juice kick. You know, so what the fork, man. Everybody have a happy new year. We're about to bring in 2021 with a bang. Next year is going to be awesome. Forget about this year. It's over. It's what the fork. Like and subscribe. Thank you.